Culture Radio.
We are Black Culture Radio.
Like you me own me. Only bad vibes you show me. I carry news and spread rumors. I tell people say you grow me. Them want fi friend you for your money. Me have me woman and me heart, so tell a boy say me no lonely. Spain town tell them fi love me. From River Road to Bagwan to Lynch, did every girl you say. I know everyone will set free. Real you should know. Enough know why you there, why you lose your soul. And everyone me call friend. Be mindful of those who want give you coffee with the Rita Rose. Can't make them know if me have a meal. Me prefer link plum go and try for your deep on the hill. Not tell them where you sleep or where you chill. Them woulda want rejoice if them see your blood as spill. I'm telling you, give them a inch, them take a yard. I know for them no real, say them a fraud. Cleanse all them soul, my heart. The most I blessing, I need to me a blood, yes. I know everyone will set free. Real you should know. Enough no one you there.
Tell them some money ain't no thing. Put in the work, gotta put in the work. Trip, trip, trip. Tell them say success ain't no thing. One time, the people them looking in. Things in me life is a better rose. Show them see the house and the car and the clothes. And them see me girl and see her sexy pose. But at the work Rasta putting in. Cause we no got no time for those. And no coke never go Rasta nose.
Right, guys, this is the second hour of DJ Agmina on the Black Culture Radio on a Friday drive time reggae show. You know, I love this. Guys, remember, at exactly 7 p.m. GMT, it's Auntie Jane Zone. Something else, just too much podcast, and I love her so much, guys. So join her at 7 p.m. GMT. That will be 9 p.m. Central African time, guys.
Yeah, chilling on the jet, sexy girl in on my bed, counting money till my finger numb. Celebrate the bread, yeah, fingers on my trigger, yeah, running on the head. Now go sell me soul, now go see me pushing up me leg. She can't sit down in my head, real G until me dead. Yeah, sick be no be hungry be fed, blood and tears man I shed. Hard work do it, tell them my hard work do it. From cold concrete with some cardboard sheet to first class seat we elite, and we got the girls them go leap. Hard work do it, tell them my hard work do it. No sit down and reach and I act like a leech, yeah. Tell them we have a song, we never weak, the mission not be complete. But if you see Kanda sitting on the yacht with a girl in a him lap and a chill and a relax, relax, don't be jealous. Just know you can make it if you try. I can do it, so can you. Every ghetto man a star, and we have to reach far if we set we mind to that. So raise your glass them in the sky, and let's make a toast to who we love the most. Mad respect unto the Most High, for He gave us life, the greatest gift. Tell them hard work beat from the cold concrete with some cardboard sheet to first class seat we elite. We We got the girls, them will leap.
Perfect. You know, I'm just happy to see my sensei tuning in on the Black Culture today on the Friday Drive Time session with DJ Agmin. Selector Town Blast, a big out to yourself, my brother. Welcome. We love your support.
Ain't got nothing to fear. Promise you my love never change. Don't you fake my love. Ain't got nothing to fear. Promise you my love never change. I know you've been through ups and downs. Broken hearted and never been crowned. Far right love will never let you down. Put aside your doubts and let's grow. Love is the future, Rasta love will lead the way. Step into eternity. Wrap you in my arms, I love you night and day. Protect your heart from misery. Don't you fake my love. Ain't got nothing to fear. Promise you my love never change. Don't you fake my love. Ain't got nothing to fear. Promise you my love never change. Nah take no counsel from no friends. Nah follow not a bad influence. Me know you nervous and feel kinda tense. But me there so fi make you all amends. My love, your love me investing. Yeah, me find you very interesting. You are the best queen, me are the best king. Hey, no more running around. You have my heart captured. It's time to turn a new chapter. No more running around. You have my heart captured. Hey, don't you fake my love.
You know, guys, what is interesting is like now I've got two senses. The other one is teaching me kung fu, the other one is teaching me karate. Big up to yourself, Selector Dumblers, and big up to yourself, Backward. Those are my two senses, guys. I love them so much. I love the support, you know. Just something else. Big up to yourself.
Baby, hey.
So what is life without Selassie? I praises be unto the Most High. I must do what is right in a Selassie side. Praises be unto the Most High. So what is life without Selassie? I praises be unto the Most High. I must do what is right here Selassie. Yeah, I never trod alone. The Most High watching over. Protect my soul when I'm up on the road, yeah. I'll be a soldier, yeah. I ain't never trod alone. The Most High watching over. Protect my soul when I'm up on the road, yeah. I'll be a soldier. Life is a gift, me coulda never waste mine. Count on my blessing when me rise at daytime. If I never jam a good lay all a FaceTime, and me coulda get for call my sister on FaceTime. Give thanks for music and the reggae bass line, so me can tour the world and elevate minds. Me get an opportunity and take it same time. If you no love your life, me still a celebrate mine. Cause Jaja have enough things in store for me, so me never worry, everything secure for me. Rastafari never have no insecurity. Life is for living, so just live with purity. Aye. And every obstacle we have to overcome. Me not for dash no powder and me not for throw no rum. Me try to na ya bingy and me have to hold a drum and chant all night till morning come. Yeah, I ain't never tried alone. The Most High watching over. Protect my soul when I'm up on the road, yeah. I'll be a soldier, yeah. I ain't never tried alone. The Most High watching over. Protect my soul when I'm up on the road, yeah. I'll be a soldier. Praises be unto the Most High. So what is life without Selassie? I praises be unto the Most High. I must do what is right in a Selassie side. Praises be unto the Most High. So what is life without Selassie? I praises be unto the Most High. I must do what is right here Selassie. Yeah.
Why you hiding your love from me? Tell me why you hiding your love from me. I really wanna know why you hiding yourself. Why you hiding yourself? Why you hiding your love from me?
us to meet. Anytime we no chat, can't get no sleep. Me have to build a little spliff and lie down in a the Jeep. And I wonder how when we are gonna speak. Yeah, my relationship can't work in long distance. Yeah, when me call her phone and me can't get no response. Yeah, so me tell myself someone getting assistance. Yeah, from that day me start putting up some resistance. Baby girl, why you hiding your love from me? Tell me why you hiding your love from me. I really wanna know why you hiding yourself. Why you hiding yourself? Why you hiding your love from me? Yeah, tell myself say me a gangster and me a talk and never know me coulda fall in a love. When me think about the love in the kissing.
We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio.
DJ Argument on.
Perseverance keeps me holding on, baby. Love for each other, together forever. These feelings continue to grow. I'd like to make it with you, let's take it slow. Life has its ups and downs, but your blessings will keep love around. And everyone that we've known is saying how much we've grown. Naysayers and haters will have to leave us alone. So faithful and truly these vibes will carry on. Ooh, carry go bring come. They would like to win, some got nothing better to do. They don't like to see me holding you, but I'm determined, willing and able to stay forever with you. With your love and His blessing, we will make it through. Got no time to run around. I cherish these feelings we found. Got no more time to play. Now and forever I see myself. Always in love with you.
Now you're what's hurting us most, dear life. I miss you when you used to try to look real. Now you don't care how you're making me feel. Remember when I told you if this is a play, you've got to keep it running till my dying day. You laughed and assured me everything was fine. Now you're switching characters and forgetting your lines. And I can only imagine what somebody did to you to make you become the monster who can flip your switch in the way you do. Dear I miss you holding me close. Now you're what's hurting us most. Dear I miss you when you used to try to look real. Now you don't care how you're making me feel. But I forgive you. Here's the deal. It's only a heartbreak. It will heal. Oh, I miss the feel of the wool on my eyes and the familiar smell of the dice. Poor little sheep brought a wolf to the fold, and now the skin is worn thin and the blood is so cold. Tell me, can you imagine somebody like me who built up so much security, still couldn't see what Miss you holding me tight, pretending everything is alright. Dear life, I miss you when you used to try to look pretty.
The things that good for you. If only we do the good thing in life that's matter the most. If only we do the things that good for you. Hey, Rasta business, I it a come to light, yes. Rasta teachings spreading all across the world, spread to little boys and girls. Rasta business, it a come to light, yes. Rasta teachings spreading all across the world, yes.
DJ Argument on.
When Rastafari's line a do her little light tells true, a pure wrinkle and screw. Them say that they know want that fit you. No. I and I tell them to go natural. Still them a run down pure chemical, and I worship your idol. Yeah. We still a talk about self-reliance, which is the highest science. Seek knowledge, not be ignorance. Yes, Rasta business, I it a come to light, yes. Rasta teachings spreading all across the world. I spread to little boys and girls. Rasta business, I it around the world, yes. Rasta teachings spreading all over the world. If only you do the good things in life that matters the most. If only we do the things that good for you. If only you do the good things in life that matters the most. If only we do the things that good for you. Then we talk about entrepreneur.
Yes, I know.
Them still I ignore.
Jah will never leave I alone. Yes, I know. Jah with me wherever I go. Oh
DJ
yeah,
Argument on.
yeah. Jah love forevermore. Make them talk, them evil talk. Let them do their wrongs. Oh, their heart is filled with hate and grudge. My heart is filled with love. I'd rather be the firelight. Oh yeah, 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 burning through the dark. 'Cause I know my Jah love me. Yes, I know Jah will never leave I alone. Yes, I know Jah with me wherever I go. Oh yeah, yeah, Jah loves forevermore. He's my strength through the rocky. So I don't get weary, no, no. Over the hills and through the valley. Yes. 10,000 round about me. Oh yeah. I fear not of them in highs and lows. Oh yeah, yeah.
Working so hard, fulfillment backyard. I meditation, upliftment for the black nation. Yeah, yes. Babylon move and make me give your words. Selassie, I live above the tree and birds. Yes, I use marijuana, give vices to the earth. It's the healing of the nation of the earth. I'm black to be brown, brown to be black. I listen, Selassie, I works, can't stop. stop. Look how many youths who no work out and slave on the plantation crop. I guess who no fist stop. Cause working so hard, fulfillment backyard. I meditation, upliftment for the black nation. Yeah, yes. Working so hard, fulfillment backyard. I meditation, upliftment for the black nation. Yeah, yes. Oh, then sleep a bread, free the mind, be clean and pure inside, and free your soul and begin climb. Ethiopia, stretch forth your hands far and wide. So when the Most High approach, the wicked man fall to their demise. So Africa realize together we no need to divide. Oh yeah, yes. Yes, Marcus then teach I from the issue. That Rasta done rules from pre-cation. Yeah, yes. Working so hard, fulfillment backyard. I meditation, upliftment for the black nation. Yeah, yes. Working so hard.
I'm an artist, not a youngster. Reggae music will live on and on. Still you never heard of reggae music charged for murder. I'm an artist, not a youngster. Reggae music will live on and on. Lyrically as expected on a little stage. Vibes so nice, everybody's rocking to my pace. Some people love for bubble, some of them love for wine. Do what you do, just have a good time. We no want no curfew, all lights skanking. All I am guilty of is singing sweet melodies. Bet you never heard of reggae music charged for murder. I'm an artist, not a youngster. Reggae music will live on and on. Still you never heard of reggae music charged for murder. I'm an artist, not a youngster. Reggae music will live on and on. My symbol is a treble clef. Music, yeah, we not left. To where we are come so far from the dusk, yeah. Unity we prefer. Reggae make it better. Don't fight the music, chill and unwind. Make we live in love. Full time we live for love. Cause we say love. We say love. Do good music. Live on forever. Reggae's my everything. Reggae's my everything. Still you never heard reggae music charged for murder.
DJ Argument on.
You right now. Right now. Girl, it's you and me to infinity. Yeah. Darling, you and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. You
bring that one back from the top.
You right now.
We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio.
Yeah, darling, you and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. You and me, for eternity. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always been my lover. I don't need necessary enough to keep you, baby. Still near me, no ifs, no maybe. Man, I sing in your ears like a canary, but I'm me pitching at your heart like Picheri. You ever present when me call you girl? No hide and seek because it's official. Feel sweet when you wrap up in these arms, me girl, and me heart a jump up like a carnival. So girl, you and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my lover. Always
bone, like a king without a throne, like a cream without a cone, salon without a comb, sprint without a phone. Without you, my girl, you know my house is not a home. In my life, me need a girl, I realize that. Never gonna leave your side, I hope you recognize that. Nothing in life comes easy, girl, your love, I earned that, learn that. Me not gonna turn back, so baby, you and me, we were meant to be. Girl, you've always been my lover, always been my lover. You.
Right, guys, right. Big up to yourself, Andrew. Thank you very much, my brother. That's something else. That's my support, guys. For those who are joining me right now, this is DJ Agminon on the Black Culture Radio on a Friday like this one. It's a reggae drive time show.
You right now, until forever I vow. Me and your baby.
Yo, man, just love how you treat me. Not even gonna you miss me. Me just love how you treat me. Girl, you make me change my plan. You make me rearrange my plan. Me never plan to take it down as I done it on its own. But baby, change this man. Girl, you make me change my plan. Lord, I rearrange my plan. Look how me did I run the streets of girl, it's like a yeah. One girl's man. Girl, the more I look into your eyes is the more I looked. And baby girl, this feeling can't be overlooked. You make me turn a new page in my love book. So baby, I don't wanna be a player anymore. I know you heard about me like I was before. You know I got the keys to many women's doors. But baby, that's the part you love me at for sure. Cause baby girl, you change my plan. You make me rearrange my plan. Me never plan to settle down as I've done it on its own. But you change this man, you change. You make me change my plan. Lord, I rearrange my plan. Look how me did I run the streets of y'all, it's like a million. One girl's man. Lord, you transform me. You did why look how you confirm me. No girl, not do it the way you put it on me. So there is nothing for me in the streets. And you me coming up to 7 days I do it. And if I could love me one, then I could love me get. And if I comfort me need, then you rub down my chest. Me now to feel insecure, me now to feel like for left. Look what come out of a one night flex. So girl, you make me change my plan. You make me rearrange my plan. So baby, me never plan to settle down as I done it on its own. But you change this man. So girl, you make me change my plan. Lord, I rearrange my plan. Look how me did I run the streets of y'all, it's like a million. Turn on one girl's man. Look how me say me I go stick and move. Yeah. Look how me say me I go pick and choose. You know I do the test, I know me kick off shoes. Happiness, no stress, no need to be confused. I know me now fi hide and do no shady moves. And to me brethren them a road, me now a thing fi prove. And I'm gonna run down bag a girl and end up sing the blues.
I am this fire mason, representing for the ladies. Hey girl, me love how she keep it royal. She keep it royal. She keep it royal, royal. Me love how she keep it royal. She keep it loyal. She keep it, girl, and me be with you. I know your love is true. Every day, every night, I just wish you're my wife. Let me be with you. I know your love is true. Every day, every night, I just wish you're my wife. You're so uttermost, girl. You're so true and polite. You're making more than one occasion, and the time is right. You brighten up my days, you motivate my night. Although early morning, full of what delight. If I the same energy that in the spirit, it's right. You're natural from your body, and you know how tight. She's got so much to offer. She got this spice that I'm guessing is just the right. Let me be with you. I know your love is true. Every day, every night, I just wish you're my wife. You, I know your love is true. Every day, every night, I just wish you're my wife. I've been looking at my ring, no, me not retiring. Say she look the Bobo King. Now go down my Kentucky, now go down my Burger King. Say she look in a yapping. Say she looking for your thing. She know me and me for your thing. Feeling up on the sky, you're welcome here. And I told you I've got the right thing, the right thing, the right thing. Girl, let me be with you. I know your love is true. Every day, every night, I just wish you're my wife with you. I know your love is true. Every day, every night, I just wish you're my wife. Baby, 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 you're the lady in my life.
DJ Argument, break it off with a hot explosive mix.
There's no goodbyes, girl. 'Cause I've got nothing but love for you. Never, never, never gonna make you cry. And that's no lie, girl. 'Cause I'm falling so deep into you. With open arms, I need you in my life, girl. I'm with you, baby. Love is easy. It's coming from my heart. It's brightening up my darkness. And I would never trade it for no other place. Never gonna say goodbye. There's no goodbyes, girl. 'Cause I've got nothing but love for you. Never gonna make you cry. And that's no lie, girl. 'Cause I'm falling so deep into you. And when we touch, I can't get enough, girl. Love is special, and it's getting better. And I want you in my life, girl. No need to worry. You're my baby, 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 baby. Never gonna say goodbye. There's no goodbyes, girl. 'Cause I've got nothing but love for you. Never, never, never gonna make you cry. And that's no lie, girl. 'Cause I'm falling so deep into you. This ain't no one-way love, no ice cream love. No, 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 girl. This ain't no one-way love, no snow cone love. No, 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 no. Never gonna say goodbye. There's no goodbyes, girl. 'Cause I've got nothing but love for you. Never, never, never gonna make you cry. And that's no lie, girl. 'Cause I'm falling so deep into you. This ain't no
DJ Argument, break it off with a hot explosive mix.
We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio.
So I'm saying thanks again. We rise up like the sun, and any and everything we overcome. We pray God will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We stand
Bring that one back from the top.
victory. in this moment, arms wide open, blessings pouring like the rain. It's all from you, so I'm saying thanks again. We rise up like the sun, and any and everything we overcome. We pray God will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We standing on the rock, 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 on the victory rock, yeah, yeah. We standing on the rock, 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 on the victory rock, yeah, yeah. Standing on the rock, yeah, yeah. Trusting in the power of the Most High to protect and shine a light and make a way. Watcher and defender of our lives, we're friend and man, but family. If we forgive, remind us that you're always beside us. No, nothing can hold me down. We're standing on the rock in a solid ground. We rise up like the sun, and any and everything we overcome. We pray God will be done on earth as it is in heaven. We standing on the rock, 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 rock.
Right, guys, for those who are joining me right now, this is the DJ Agbina and broadcasting to you live from Pretoria, South Africa on the Blood Culture Radio. Guys, I love to do this, guys. Thank you very much for the support. You know, Sashara, something else. Dennis, South London. Thank you very much. Shalene David, enjoying Jamaican holiday sun, listening to your show. Aliyah from Esworth. And Chucky Haron, London again, guys. Big up to yourself. This is DJ Aguina, guys. Catch me also next Friday. We'll do the same thing. Reggae Drive Time Show with DJ on the Black Culture Radio at the time.
On the victory rock, yeah, yeah. Victory rock, yeah, we're triumphing. Life is not an easy road, it's a climb uphill. But we know we're not alone, so we try until we cross the finish line. Sweating away, I sting. Be strong, never stop moving your feet. Don't make no negativity, make you retreat. Said only you can stop you, and the truth, you see. I feel destiny go beat. We rise up like the sun.
What a day. Peace and blessings manifest with every lesson learned. If your knowledge were your wealth, then it
DJ
would be well
Break it
earned.
off another hot
If we were
explosive
made in
mix.
His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but fear us just the same. Oh, on and on and on and on. My Salvador's moving like a rolling stone. Ooh, on and on and on and on. Come on and tell him. I said go on and on and on and on. Everybody gotta hear this. I say on and on and on and on. Listen, I was born on the water with $3.06. Yeah, you might laugh, cause you did not do your math. Like 1, 2, 3, the world keeps turning. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Oh, on and on and on and on. My Salvador's moving like a rolling stone. Ooh, on and on and on and on. Come on and tell him. I said go on and on and on and on. Everybody gotta hear this. I say on and on and on and on. The man who knows something knows that he knows nothing at all. Does it seem colder in your summertime and hotter in your fall? If we were made in His image, then call us by our names. Most intellects do not believe in God, but they fear us just the same. Oh, on and on and on and on. My Salvador's moving like a rolling stone. Ooh, on and on and on and on. Come on and tell him. I said go.
We are people, only people. Why can't we live together? Beautiful people. Remember we are just people. Only people. Why can't we stick together? Like birds of a feather. What binds us together is so much greater than a lot of things that drive us apart. And we be chanting forever, yes, there might be a treasure. Lord, I really think we need a change of thought.
Listen, sisters and brothers, we can deliver Love to every single part of the world where I suffer. Never say never. It's never too late to start.
We are people.
Boy.
We are people. Only people.
Remember,
why can't we live together?
Do
beautiful people. Remember, we are just people. We are people. Only people. Why can't we stick together?
Why can't we stick together?
Like birds of feather.
Division, I believe, is one of them strongest strategy. Enough now of division, we see true hypocrisy nowadays. Blind and lead blind, and the rest of them are move with the times, boy.
And every time we come around them, them have to question themselves and go question them, frown them.
True.
And the system confound them, tie them up like I'm not the mind in prison around them. We are people. We are people. Only people. Why can't we live together?
Why can't we?
Beautiful people. Remember, we are just people. We are people. Only people. Why can't we stick together?
See nobody else. So even when I go a million miles away, my baby saves her loving for me. She not giving away. And even when I'm gone, I know that she won't stay. Yes, she saves her loving for me. She not giving away. Keep it right, she keep it clean. She no make no other lion intervene. No disturbing my queen. All when me no dep on the scene. They think I'm crazy. Oh, this thing I get up and I put so much trust in I'm lady. But she keep it exclusive. Even when I go a million miles away, my baby says her loving for me. She not give it away. And even when I'm gone, I know that she won't stay. Yes, she saves her loving for me. She not give it away. Me no fret all when me have to work the night shift. Cause me know she not give away the niceness. All me know say she keep it private. Cause the grip not change from the tightness. Some say me mad, some say me not fi wife it. But I true them never sight nothing like this. Oh, she priceless. Hug her pillow and use her devices. Even when I go a million miles away, my baby saves her love. I'll show you my heart is pure. Oh yes, better than before. I rise from the floor like you've never seen before. Been through much, 'cause you could be wrong. You don't know my story. You only know my songs. Every time.
Yes, guys, remember, like I said earlier before, like at exactly 7 p.m. GMT, we have got Auntie Jinson, all right, here on the Black Culture Radio, guys. Tune in, you enjoy the show.
My heart is pure. Oh yes, better than before. I rise from the floor like you've never seen before. Been through too much now, and I can't see how your words gonna break me. I'm growing wiser, I'm a survivor, and nothing you do can shake me. I've been through the fire, left inside to burn. Somehow I return stronger than before. Stronger than before. I'll show you my heart is pure. Oh yes, better than before. I rise from the floor like you've never seen. Them a point finger, them a judge me, and feed them life some messed up. Before you tell all your lies on me, do I internal check up? Yeah, me now have no time for argue. Do anything you want to. Just know that I'll return stronger than before. must overcome. Tell them when it's all said and done, Babylon I get beaten and no.
So next week what we are going to do is we're going to bring a better dread to the Black Culture Radio next Friday, guys. Something powerful to play some sounds of him earlier in the show is something nice. I had a great show also during the week with Diego Jr. It was something that was massive. That was perfect, my brother. Big up to yourself, Diego.
Reckon on your policy, Selassie give with solidarity. Help the poor man that a fit me charity. Me do your work and never look for popularity. When fire burn again, none of them me no sorry fi. Wicked man burn to a level, them man bad mind. Progress is the best revenge, it works every time. I learn from the best and teach it unto the child. I beat all the odds and I conquer the child. Children of the Most High, be wise. People out there wish for your demise. Reach Africa before the ship capsize. Holy Mount Zion is fire now. When it's all said and done, all who are keep the faith must overcome. Tell them when it's all said and done, Babylon not get beaten and no way to
run. We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio.
I just wanna be free, yeah, so free, so free, so free, so free. I just wanna be free, I just wanna be free, yeah. So let's give thanks a life, man, look, every day a luxury. Let's celebrate like it's our anniversary. You can live your life the way that it's supposed to be. Just free your heart and your mind from ideology. Love is not a bandit, so check your psychology. Anybody teach you that I teach the wrong philosophy. A time to teach the world the teaching of His Majesty. When love become the head of your family, you will be so free, so free, so free, so free. Yes, I just wanna be free. I just wanna be free. Yeah, 'cause freedom is a God-given right. It's not about the things you like, for freedom and love. That's why I continue fight. So happy that you're in my life. Every day and every night you teach me how to change my wrong and turn them into right. So let's live a happy life. Champagne, candlelight. Got no time to sit down and not worry about no parasite. So give thanks every day we rise. Jah open we eyes. Give thanks our experience. It's the only thing that make we wise. So I'm singing for the broken hearted, and I'm singing for the love just started. It can't be so hard, but so here's a few words.
Don't take my foot off. No need to apologize. No more lies, no more lies. With your fake moods and your fake smile. No more lies, no more lies. Come up from that don't make up, step in the light. No more lies, no more lies. Don't wanna hear, baby, baby, this will never die. No more lies, no more lies. When love just started, it's like heaven, 24/7. You're calling me, texting me, sending me all them pictures. Hear the roof off the something anytime you touch my button. Night stop and nights what I was feeling was getting stronger. But when you call me by somebody else's name, and when you hug me and it don't feel the same. So many roses die on the vine, but tell me why it had to be mine. No need to
Alright guys, this was a perfect show guys. Thank you very much for the support that you've shown to me. This is DJ Agminan. Remember guys, I'll say that it's difficult sometimes to say Agminan, but people will get used to it, and I love it sometimes, and I love when people say it wrongly, and I love just giving me a lot of names. But like what my sensei always says, different personalities but one result. Big up to yourself, Select Down Blaze. Big up to yourself, Mark White. Those are two of my senses, guys. Like I said, the other one is teaching me karate, and the other one is teaching me kung fu. There's something else perfect, guys. Big up to yourself.
Virtuous and courteous, but your whole collective and bogus. Find you, me not put no focus. No need to apologize. No more lies. With your fake moods and your fake smile. No more lies. Come from under the makeup, step in the light. No more lies. Don't wanna hear, baby, this will never die. No more lies. Hey, you white no piggy bank, yes, I'm a top ranking. Remember the love, them real, them always deeper than skin. I was looking for forever while you're searching for a fling. Bound to get a spanking, left on the banking. Put you up on a pedestal, what's the wrong thing? When I think you're right and me no say nothing that gosh daunting. From she young get anything that she wanting. Oh, she got the beauty so she flaunting. Yeah, come in my life just to haunt me. She playing tricks on me. No need to apologize. No more lies. With your fake moods and your fake
Guys, remember, like I said, from 7 p.m. GMT, just about now, it's Auntie John Zone. Something perfect, guys. Thank you very much, guys, for the support. I love the support all over the world, guys. Big up to yourself. This is Black Culture Radio. My name is DJ Agminan. It was a wonderful show. Thank you very much. Like I always love to say all the time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody else all over the world, from wherever you're listening to Black Culture Radio from.
Fade away, yes. Wicked shall fade away, yeah. Natty dreadlock still on one them. Teeth and tongue shall tell, yeah. Natty dreadlock still on one them. Wicked shall fade away, yes. Bongo man still a one them. Teeth and tongue shall tell, yes. Natty dread still a one. When it was
Black Power Station that cares. Call +440208.
It is from nature that diseases arise, and from nature comes the cure. Dr. Paracelsus. Cancer Bush, the hidden herb that supports and treats cancer patients, is brought to you by Mother Nature's traditional herbal remedies. Cancer Bush is the miracle herb and can also treat these following conditions: cancer, chronic fatigue, depression, diabetes type 2, piles, hot flushes, gonorrhea, syphilis, hemorrhoids, chlamydia, rheumatoid arthritis, tuberculosis, HIV/AIDS, mental stress, lupus influenza, swine flu, and more. To find out more, and if you or a loved one are suffering from the following conditions, please head over to our website on www.cancerbush.org.uk. If you'd like to email us, please email at info@cancerbush.org.uk. You can also call us on 0208 993 4870. That's 0208 993 4870. Or 07943 144 544. That's 07943 144 544. Cancer Bush, the miracle herb.
Hey guys! Mother Nature provides all we need to survive. So come along and strengthen your central and peripheral nervous systems with superfoods, whole foods, natural products, and great exercise. Age-old knowledge sources our Earth's bounty of roots, shoots, and goodies, which detoxify, strengthen, cleanse, and reinvigorate our major organs, helping you to replenish your cells naturally. visit me, Kay Gordy, at Age Old Knowledge Superfood Hut, 3 Manor Park Parade, Lee High Road, SE135PD. You can visit the website at www.ageoldknowledge.co.uk or call on 07916 569 396 for appointments, yoga classes, or to just place an order. Shout me. See you ASAP.
Woman had 16 kids, put her in a nursing home.
Hi, my name is Reverend Tina Redden, and you're listening to the Black Culture Radio. Now join me on the Black Gospel Experience with your host, the internationally renowned gospel recording artist, singer, songwriter, and musician, television show host, and radio show host, Reverend Tina Redden, right here on the Black Culture Radio. Tune in.
She was there for you. She took care of you as you sat on her knees.
Tech family, Auntie Jean here. You're tuned in to the Auntie Jean Zone on Black Culture Radio, BCR, where we link live to the Garvey Village every Friday between 7 and 10, and also every Sunday between 7 and 10 plus on the Auntie Jean's African Culture Market, where we link live for current affairs, news, views, and reviews. So make it a date and don't be late, and look forward to seeing you there. Peace.
This is a special public announcement.
Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio. We are Black Culture Radio.